Station 22, Southwell Township, I-476 southbound, mile marker 59.9 for a truck fire.
County, engine tanker 22.
Engine tanker 22.
Responding.
We're getting multiple calls for a tractor trailer on fire. The Amazon truck loaded with packages. Engine tanker 22, copy.
County 10-4, we copy the additional.
Leah County 2, engine tanker 22.
County, Special Service 22.
Special Service 22.
Show me responding.
Denver Special Service 22.
Engine tanker 22.
Engine tanker 22.
On scene, working fire.
10-4, and Sheet 22 added tanker 26 for you.
10-4, thank you.
You want to command it all?
Make this I-476 command operate on fire ground 1.
10-4, engine tanker 22. County 22 and 26 units responding to the Turnpike. Engine tanker 22 as I-476 command utilize fire ground 1.
Lehigh County, tanker 26.
Tanker 26.
Responding, County.
Denver tanker 26.
Service 22 on scene.
10-4, Special Service 22.
County, I-476 command.
I-476 command.
You gonna show the bulk of the fire knocked down. Gonna be doing some overhaul.
10-4, I-476 command.
County, 476 command.
476 command.
County, the bulk of the fire is knocked on this. You could recall tanker 26.
10-4, tanker 26, you copy direct?
County, tanker 26, we copy. We're at the gate.
Denver tanker 26.
476 command, tanker 26. Go ahead. You guys say you're at the gate? Yeah, getting on now, actually. 10-4, just pull up behind our tanker. Stand by for now. We shouldn't need you guys, but we'll just have you stand by if you're committed already. Got it.